Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two mini drones that are perfect for beginners and kids. We'll be comparing the Untei 2-in-1 mini drones and the Sotaone S400 drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones are priced at $99, while the Sotaone S400 drone comes in at $89. Both drones are affordable options, but if you're looking for a slightly lower priced option, the Sotaone S400 might be the one for you. When it comes to design and durability, the Untei 2-in-1 mini drones offer a unique design with a combination of a mini drone and a toy car. This feature allows you to race on the road and fly in the sky, giving you double the fun. The drone is made of high-quality ABS material, making it durable and reliable, perfect for children and beginners. On the other hand, the Sotaone S400 drone boasts a foldable design, making it compact and easy to carry around. It also comes with full protective guards, ensuring safety and durability. So, if you're looking for a more portable option, the Sotaone S400 might be the one for you. Let's talk about the features of these mini drones. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones offer 3D flips and high-speed flying, giving you a special and exciting experience. It also has LED lights, making it visible even at night. With its one-key taking-off landing and auto-hovering function, it's easy to control and suitable for players of different skill levels. The Sotaone S400 drone, on the other hand, comes with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture wonderful moments and enjoy live video transmission. It also has excellent air stunts like 3D flips and high-speed rotation, perfect for kids and families. Additionally, it offers features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key start land button, making it stable and easy to handle. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a mini drone. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones provide a total flying time of 17 to 20 minutes, allowing kids to enjoy longer playtime and practice their flying skills. It also has a low battery power alarm, ensuring you don't lose or damage your drone due to low power. The Sotaone S400 drone, although not specified, offers a decent flight time for its size. However, it's always a good idea to have spare batteries on hand to extend your flying time. Now let's take a look at the overall assessment from online reviews. And there you have it. We've compared the Untei 2-in-1 mini drones and the Sotaone S400 drone in various categories. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your preferences and needs. Remember, always consider factors like price, design, features, and battery life when making your decision. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to find more information and make your purchase. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.